Immigration reform remains a hotly debated topic in West Texas as well as in Washington. The Senate Judiciary Committee met on Capitol Hill in efforts to combine the House and Senate immigration reform bill.
While I believe that immigrants contribute to our society, our culture, and our economy, there are some of my constituents who are angry at the federal government for what they see as the federal government's failures to address border security concerns and immigration concerns.
The House version of the bill calls for the addition of large Mexican border fences, forcing employers to verify the legality of their workers and the tightening of security on the nation's frontier, while the Senate's version asks for a smaller border fence and a path towards citizenship. But both sides are making comprehensive immigration legislation their top priority.
The biggest concern that some of us have is that we put the procedures in place, we appropriate the money, we hire the people, we train the people, we build the infrastructure that will actually allow comprehensive immigration reform to succeed.
A final version of the immigration reform bill would go to the president for approval, but that may not happen for some time. Several senators have stressed the importance of making sure that the bill is workable in all aspects.
The president supports comprehensive immigration reform, and that's going to require a lot of commitment, a lot of compromise, a lot of dialogue to sort out some very complicated issues.
As we've gone forward, I've found out that it's even more complicated than I anticipated, and it's going to take even longer, really, to put a system together that we can be proud of.
More hearings are expected, and Senator Cornyn says he isn't sure an agreed-upon version will go to the president before the November elections. In Washington, I'm Aaron McElhern, KTAB.
That concludes our hearing.